if you want to enable or disable your USB debugging on Samsung Galaxy A26, so first you will open up your settings, now scroll down to your About Phone section. Here locate your software information and locate your build number. Now you have to tap 7 times on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Enter your current PIN, press continue, and give the permission to allow developer settings. Now we've got a pop-up message that developer mode has been activated. So let's go back to our settings and locate our developer options. Great. Now we gotta locate our USB debugging option. Simply tap on the switch, press OK to activate it, and now it is activated. If you want to deactivate it, tap on the switch again. When it goes gray, it means it's deactivated, and basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.